What's up everybody, my name is Matt Doheny and today I'm shooting with Sarah Bella and we are shooting a setup called the Dark Feild Illuminator. So if you're curious about it, stay tuned and I'll show you how I shoot it. Today I'm doing a little setup called the Dark Feild Illuminator. Pretty much I'm taking a giant light source and blocking the middle. So all of this light around here on the edge is going to come wrap around on her. So I'm going to get this beautiful, like full halo effect all around her head, and then I'm going to put a fill card behind me, a V-flat actually, and so any light that goes out is going to spill back in and fill in her face. So we're going to get this really beautiful glowy look. It's going to be a lot of fun, so stick around as we shoot this. Yes, super excited. I'm excited too. This is going to be one of the first times I've actually ever recorded this, so let's see how it goes. So today I'm shooting with my Canon 5D Mark III and my 24-70, the original one. I need to get the updated version. I've had this lens for like 10 years, but it still works. You don't always need the newest gear. So I have my power settings fairly low because I want to get a low aperture going in on this. I'm going to shoot as low as I can at 2.8. Just to kind of get that depth of field, that fall off. So I can take a couple test shots and we're just going to see how this looks. So brought my ISO down to 100, brought my f-stop down to 2.8, and then my shutter speed will be at 1/25.
Oh my gosh, that is so cool, wow.
Alright, so we just took the first couple test shots of this. It looks super cool. It's really fun to be able to have just one light. So as you can see, I have these black panels in the middle of my light, and then the rest of the light wraps around her, lights all this hair, and then shoots over here into the V-flat and back into her face and illuminates her face a bit. So this is called the Dark Feild Illuminator. We're going to keep shooting and let's keep some ads. Right, cool. Hey look, I'm barefoot. Okay, so for the second shot, I busted out my aerial swing, so we're going to keep the same light right here. We're just going to have it backlighter, and I'm going to use my V-flat again. And we're just going to swing on her. This time I took out the Dark Feild Illuminator, so we get all that light spilling back on her and bouncing back into her from the V-flat. So you ready?
Yes.
Let's do this.
I'm ready. See how we can use this aerial hammock and how translucent it is. See like what light we can get through that. See if we can wrap around her a little bit. We're gonna have her stand straight on the ground. So we're gonna see what that looks like and go from there. Sticking around and watching the video. Again, this is Sarah and Summer, the sister duo here. They were nice enough to come over and shoot with me today. So girls, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
You guys are welcome. Oh, thank you guys so much. If you enjoyed this video, please tell me what you thought. If any of these tips or the way I was shooting helped you or not, I'd love to hear about it. And if you liked the video, of course, subscribe and stay tuned for future videos. I'll be posting videos once a week, Tuesdays at 2. It just rolls off the tongue, right? So
Tuesdays at 2?
Yeah, Tuesdays at 2. Right? So thank you so much for sticking around. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will catch you next time.
Peace!
You're literally like a vampire. Like that should be the title of this series.